guys, I'm Samantha.
I'm Arnold and welcome to Weekend Brain. So if you haven't watched the previous episode, we had a gala time going down through memory lane. Branching out from the conversation of nostalgia, our producer has what's it called?
It's a very musical game today.
She's portioned a game for us.
So she's going to be playing a few old nostalgic songs for us. She's going to be playing like a few seconds of it, and we have
to guess.
Yeah.
Right. We will or will not play certain seconds of the song because of obvious copyright issues, or we'll probably try and mask it with some music on top. Let's see how it goes.
But also, before this game starts, I want you to pause the video right now. Okay? Go hit that subscribe button.
Yes.
And then comment before the game starts. Comment which one of us is going to win this. Okay? Whoever is the closest gets one
Super
puppy
like
from us.
Don't cheat.
Yeah,
don't cheat. Right now. Do it right now. I'm still looking at you. Yes, you. Do it.
Chalo.
Alright, should we start?
90s Bollywood is the theme.
90s Bollywood is the theme? Fuck.
No fuck. 90s Bollywood is the theme.
But only 90s Bollywood or what? Then she'll win, yeah.
How will I win? No, dude. I'm really bad. You will see it. I'm really bad.
I'm winning 90s Bollywood, but we'll try. Alright.
Lucky Ali song.
Duba Duba Rehta Hun. But she didn't name the song.
Sham savere teri yaad
O Sanam.
aati hai. I sang the song first, but I get it. No.
Name
I get the thing.
Thank you guys.
So first of all, he said the wrong song first, so he was out anyway. So he didn't get a second chance.
What did you say? One time you're out or what?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Then she won.
So trial round.
Okay, thank you. So if you...
Setting some ground rules.
She said Lucky Ali song. What is that?
So then I was coming to it.
Okay,
right?
fine.
Song name is what is required. You can sing it to get your thought process.
I'm getting into my winning stance, sorry.
Whatever you want.
Okay.
But you have to mention the song name. Once you say the wrong answer, you have to give the other person the chance to guess.
Okay, fine.
If that person says it wrong, then you can say the right answer.
Okay, fine.
Everyone got the rules now?
We'll be good children.
Now it starts.
Okay.
Kya Surat Hai? Bombay Vikings.
What a cult video,
My
yeah.
brother was part of this fashion show on Kya Surat Hai, and my mom, she couldn't do his makeup because she had another makeup appointment. My mom is a beautician. So some wedding makeup appointment. If you see the picture, like my dad had to do my brother's makeup. He's like white with this green suit. Like it's so good.
But what a cult video.
Yeah,
What a cult video. I think even today, if like the video came out as a new video, it would still rock.
Yes.
What a great video. Oh Hamdam Sunyo Re. Satya. Dude, this also, yeah. What a great Vicky Kaushal, I was going to say. Vivek Oberoi on the fucking
Dude, what
Kawasaki
happened to Vivek
Eliminator.
Oberoi?
He made Masti 4. Shouldn't have. He should have stayed in Dubai only. But him sitting on the Kawasaki Eliminator with the headphones going to the US consulate. Starting of the movie. What a movie.
How he remembers all that. I don't remember all that.
ए क्या बोलती तू?
Not the right song name.
गुलाम. आती क्या खंडाला? Shit, I thought it was always called ए क्या बोलती तू? I feel like I'm about to run down the hill or something.
I know this song, but I need to hear a little more of the song to know it.
I feel this is a Shah Rukh Khan song.
Yeah, I was just going to ask, is it Shah Rukh Khan song?
Deewana Mastana. No.
Is it from that
Deewana,
movie, that fair
the Goa one,
Goa movie?
Yeah, not Josh, his first.
No, yeah. Where I wanted,
Deewana.
after that movie, I wanted to enter the TV.
Deewana, I think this is from Deewana only.
No?
No?
Not from Diwana.
Damn.
Give up.
It could be from Duplicate or one of those movies.
Hello Brother. No, Hello Brother was Salman Khan.
Duplicate
Badshah.
of the Badshah, yeah.
No, she's saying no. Yeah, I can see the.
Yeah. Oh.
We're gonna be so angry once we know the name of the song.
Oh. Wait. Hold on. I can picture it. It's gonna annoy me. I think we'll forfeit.
Yeah.
I'm the best.
Oh!
Which movie?
फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तान.
Abhijit was the backup singer for this. Yes. Fuck.
That he got.
Yeah, man. Like
Yeah. Wait. Made in India.
Alicia Chinoy. This is
What's his name?
Milind Soman.
Oh.
This is what introduced the world to Milind Soman. This song, Mel danced in her school competition. Shout out to Mel.
Baby. I'll be your left hand.
I feel they're about to go for a picnic. This family.
Is it from that movie Mumbai se gayi Pune se gayi Delhi? Is it from that movie? Is it from a movie or is it a? Oh, it's not.
Okay, we give up. At least I give up.
Yeah, I'll say give up.
I play little more.
Oh God, no way we were getting that.
I would not
yeah.
get it. I would not.
Not with that much we would have got.
Whose song was this? Channa Vekaru.
That guy with the headphones, what's his name?
Vivek Oberoi.
No.
Jeremy.
Kunal Ganja.
Ah, fuck! What happened to him?
Became ganja wala.
He had too much ganja. Udi.
Sam is 3, no? Damn it.
Why is she laughing? Aika Dajiba.
Wow. I would have not got that with a little more also. Sam is practicing her steps. Did you remember which song it was?
Is it an Urmila Matondkar song? No. Oh, okay.
That's from Rangila we're talking about.
Yeah. E. Okay. Give up.
Mirchi lagi to main kya karu? I'm just shooting in the dark right now.
Sona kitna sona.
Oh, fuck!
Yes, I hear it
Yes.
now. I hear it now. My head's going to explode.
Now this is the song that will
Yeah.
really irritate me.
She's going to break the uke. There's so much of silence. No, that's from this Aishwarya Rai and that Ajay Devgan, Dil De Chuke Sanam. It's from that only movie, or what? Shit.
Pass.
आँखों की हिस्सा.
I would have not got that. Duba. She got carried away singing instead of answering. She's like, oh
forgot
fuck,
you were playing.
मैं game खेल रहा था, sorry.
चूड़ी जो खनकी.
I'm not getting this one for sure.
याद पिया की आने लगी. हाँ.
Wow.
Boomerang.
I thought you would get this.
I would have. She was quick.
Oh mother.
This is the Shah Rukh song. This is Deewana. No, that's Sam the Best only. Sorry. बस इतना सा ख्वाब है.
Correct. Oh no.
No? बस इतना सा
No, wait.
ख्वाब है.
कोई मिल गया. कोई मिल गया. Not that one.
This is a Shah Rukh song.
How we know all the Shah Rukh
Yeah,
songs
nah.
and then don't.
I'm getting a migraine. रुक जाओ जाने. Fuck man. Which movie was this?
दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
Oh yes. Fuck, they're in Switzerland. Yes.
I'm
I-
upset.
It's okay, Sam. You're winning this one.
This is not good for my blood pressure. This game.
Yeah, I was physically getting a migraine for this one. That meme was.
Yeah. I'm very upset.
तूने किया जादू. No? White Flag. It's not the name of the song, but.
Ujhi hai building.
No! Yes, that's how it starts. Why did I think? In my head, I was like, Kali Kali Aakhe. I don't know why.
Yeah.
And then you sang Akhiyan Milao. So both of us thought eyes first.
This is a Govinda song.
Definitely won't know what this song
is a Govinda song. Is it a Govinda song? No, it's not. Fuck.
Oh!
I would have not got it.
Yeah, with the intro and
I
no,
made peace with
definitely,
this. I would have not
definitely
got
not.
Mukala
Mukabla.
Mukabala.
He said Mukala.
I said Mukala Mukabala. Gori
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 Jaisi
Jaisi
Chaal.
Chaal.
Not the song name.
Chak Dum Dum only then.
घोड़े जैसी चाल हाथी जैसी दुम
हाथी जैसी दुम.
ओ सावन का चा कहाँ से आए तुम चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम. After that, I don't know. I think we should get, both of us should get a point for this because we got the song name at least. I mean, we got the song.
I thought of that sketchy behavior with Kadan Gill. This is the part where they introduced him. Hi, what's your name? He said Chuck. Chuck Dum Dum. He said, what's your name? Charles. Godi Jaise.
Chunari Chunari.
Chunari. She got it. She got it. Rangila.
रंगीलो मारो ढोलना. Oh,
Rangila.
Oh, याई रे याई रे.
Yeah.
देखा तुमको जब से.
कह दो ना. You are my Sonia. You are my Sonia.
You are my Sonia. Ah.
I'm like inching slowly. What's the score?
9 and 7.
Fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Oh जाने जाना.
I said the wrong oh.
Sounds like a Hrithik Roshan song.
Yeah. It's magic.
Ah. I'm really surprised how we know
Yeah.
the beats to the actors. Like we know this is a Shah Rukh Khan song. We know this is a Govinda song. चैन चुराई मेरी किसने ओ सनम तूने नींद चुरा.
She's into chain snatchers. परी हूँ मैं.
Oh, thank God I didn't know it. I would have died. Tip tip बरसा पानी. That's the way Mahi way.
Wow. She waited for that one beat.
No, I knew it before only. But this could be anything else also. Those three girls.
3 girls in pink. No?
No?
What is mobile number?
What is the three girls in pink song?
That was a remix of the old song.
Yeah, where Kata Laga and all that come.
Yeah.
But maybe she has it, that's why she's not telling us.
Chaya Chaya. No?
Ramta Jogi.
It's a time to disco. No.
Where's the party tonight?
Fuck.
How?
I know the movie. कुछ होता है. वो लड़की अनजानी सी.
Oh wow. I would have never got that.
लड़की बड़ी
अनजानी सी. हाँ लड़की. Can I get half a point at least or one
But
full
you
point
get
if you're
the
feeling
whole
generation?
thing, na? Yeah.
Hey, thanks yaar. Govinda, right? No?
तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त.
Oh shit. Oh, Mora.
सात समुंदर पार. You know, I had
Can I
gone for
just put the white flag right now?
I had gone for Mora's basically like a Mora ka party. I don't know what it was called, Murat party. and I wanted to meet Raveena Tandon because I used to like her very much, and I was very small. And all the uncles who my dad's friends and all said, you will meet her, and then she just like walked away from the stage behind. And then I cried, and my dad was like, she's crying, I'll take her. He took me backstage, we went to the vanity and all. I think her spot was, I don't even remember. So then my dad was like, she's been crying like to meet you and all. So she's like, oh my god, I told her I'm a very big fan. And then she kissed me on my right cheek. And then I didn't wash my right cheek for I think the whole week after that.
Tip tip barsa pani. Chaya
Chaya.
Hey, I got it first.
I think both of us got it.
Repeat. Play the. I was going to say repeat. I'm forgetting to talk now. This is injurious to my speech. This game.
Kali Kali Aankhein. How many we have more? Please, this is not good for my... This was a Shah Rukh Khan song. No? What?
There's some sari flying on some hills, I think.
That's all you give us? This is like fucking seasonal edging.
I have to give it up only. Govinda.
Oh, yeah, so the Govinda song. What? Akshay Kumar song. Is it that place where him and Saif Ali Khan are dancing with that? They're in a waterfall and they are dancing like that.
Movie is Main Khiladi Tu Anari.
Main Khiladi Tu Anari is the name of the song.
Good try.
Pass.
चुरा के दिल मेरा
गोरिया चली.
It's crazy how both of us started singing.
कुक चोली के पीछे क्या है?
It's okay, no one needs to know the scores, it's fine.
Wow, I'm actually surprised. I'm really surprised.
Protest.
This was the last round. Bonus is I've saved a few English songs.
Okay. This I think Ani will win like hands down.
I don't think so. Dementia is setting in.
Barbie girl. Dementia setting in.
Yeah. I feel one crack is happening in my brain.
Uptown Girl.
Hit me baby one more time.
That.
Coco
yeah,
Jumbo.
yeah, Coco Jumbo. This is the song I danced. It was my first
Communing.
group dance song.
Take on me.
Oh.
Dancing Queen. Junebug. George Michael.
Na, 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 na. Wake me up before you go. Ricky Martin.
I'm going to say Bailando. Bailamos. No.
Na, 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 na.
Hotel. Living la vida loca. Go.
Don't stop believing.
It felt
This is
wrong.
the song, guys. This is the
It felt
song.
wrong to take that away from her.
Thanks. I appreciate it. I would have cried, I think, if you got it. Ice Ice Baby. Hey, you have to tell us that you're ready. We are like, ooh, and then suddenly she's playing. I should have given that to you, Ice Ice Baby, actually.
Last Christmas.
What?
No, sorry. I know this is the song where romantic things are showing in the reel.
Yeah.
माहौल बना रहा है तभी. Careless Whisper, no.
Yes.
Cocoa Heart.
Cold.
Good, better. Sacrifice. It's not a mystery. This Deadpool wala song yeah. My name.
It feels like
Home.
Life is a mystery. No, when you call my name.
Like a little prayer.
yeah. We said it.
Well, Bollywood queen here has clearly won this by a mile. So, clap, clap, clap. I feel like Karan Johar right now. But yeah, we are going to go and take a crocine right now because we got a splitting headache.
I feel like my chest is hurting, dude.
Yes.
Like.
But yes, we need a break. So you all do the usual, like,
Yeah.
share, subscribe.
Just
We are just going to go and drown our
hope
sorrows.
you had fun and.
But do watch the previous episode if you haven't. It was a really fun one, and give us that one song that really picks you up from wherever you are.
Where you are falling.
Yeah. Yeah. Let us know. Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye. See you.